Good morning, sixth grade students. This is Mrs. Guido. I hope you're having a good day so far. I wanted to create a short video just to talk about the thinking and the work you'll be doing in social studies class today. Today in social studies class, we're going to start our end of unit project. This project is called 5 Elements of My Culture. So basically, the goal is you're going to take everything that you've learned in this unit, as we learned about culture, different terms and concepts related to culture, and you're going to put it all together. So Mr. Nichols and I would like you to select 5 important elements of your culture, and for each one, find an image that shows that element. This image could be found Google Images, research done online, but you're going to find an image that shows each of those elements. If you need some help remembering those elements of culture, you're more than welcome to go back to our notes where we talk about all those pieces of culture. For example, religion, language, traditions, what we talked about when we did the Nearpod together in class, and also when we explored through our choice boards in class. Above the image, you're going to write the name of that element. And then for each of those elements, you're going to write 3 to 4 sentences explaining why it's an important, let me highlight it, why it's an important element, really of any culture, but also giving specifics about your culture. There is an example that we gave to you that's linked below, which is, let's see, this first one. When you click on it, you'll see just a quick overview of what the expectations are, as well as an example provided to you. Please don't use that example. We'd like you to really come up with your own thinking. So here are the instructions, which is this first link. The second link is the rubric. So this is how you're going to be scored, and we'll also look at that together. And then finally, this is the template that you can use to produce your work. I would recommend taking this doc and sending it to Notability, because in Notability you can then put those pictures from online and also create text boxes for your sentences. This project will be in place of the final unit assessment. Mr. Nichols and I felt that it was important that we're finding the application to our own lives and our own cultures instead of just taking a test on this. If you have questions,